everybody. Leanna Martens, your Edmonton real estate expert. Today we are going to tour a smoking deal with a totally brand new style of product that I have not seen anywhere else. We're going to tour a legally suited row home. 1-bedroom legal suite for $450,000. So it's 3 bedrooms up. It has 2.5 bath, main floor, double detached garage, and 1 legal suite. And you know what is so cool about this? I just haven't seen anything like this. Both entrances are from the front, and we are in Glenridding Heights right now. So this is a brand new community, brand new development, deep south Edmonton, and you can see obviously lots of builds around us. So let's get in there and let me show you this super cool product and see if you think it's as amazing as I do. So as you can see in this Glenridding location, it is right beside, it is literally minutes. It's like a 2-minute drive from that location to Ambleside. And this is Ambleside kind of business residential. And you can see that there's everything that you need. Like, I think that this is such a great opportunity from a financial price point. You can still cash flow on it, because one of the challenges that you've got is when you're investing in new home construction is what you can rent it out for, your costs to carry, insurance, property taxes, and then what you can rent it out for. And in these particular units, because they're $450,000, you can still cash flow, and it has a garage. So I just think it's a smoking deal. So great location, great price point. You can still cash flow, very low risk. You got to check it out. So from the main suite, that is the main door. And then this is a lockable entry from main. So that is the entry, front entry to secondary suite. thanks for coming on that tour with me. What makes this property so unique that there is no row homes with legal suites in them. And what this builder has done, Victory Homes, that's so clever. Row homes are cheaper than duplexes. Duplexes are cheaper than single-family detached. What they've done is they figured out, with clever design, how to actually gain access. Because in a row home, everything's side by side. But they have made access, at least to the interior units, from the front, and these outside units. So there's 4 in a row home. So the outside unit, let's see, where are we? You can't see where they separate, but the outside unit right there, that does have a separate side entry. So these are $400, there we go, better light, and $50,000. So you cannot. So if you're going single family with a legal suite, even with 1 bedroom, you're like $550 to $600 essentially for a new home. And this is in Glenridding Heights, so it is South Edmonton in the brand new community. So the additional benefit with this is that you get the full warranty. You get 1 year, 2, 5, and 10. So everything is complete and taken care of from that perspective. So it's very, very low risk. So thank you again for coming on that tour with me. I just think this is such a killer opportunity. So if you are interested and you want to connect with me so you can connect to this, reach out below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Remember, we are relocation experts, me and my team. So if you are looking to relocate or looking for investment real estate in Edmonton from elsewhere, we are the dream team, as I like to say. So Leanna Martens, professional Edmonton real estate agent. Make sure you reach out to us below, and I will see you in the next video.